Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually design a professional CV or a resume. Let's say for instance, you want to create a professional CV for you to use or a resume and you actually don't know a platform that is good for you. I want to show you an app that I'm actually using to design my CVs and resume. So for instance, if you want to design a CV like this, you can actually see you see here I wrote my original CV. You actually see the second one I wrote my CV. So all I need to do, let me click on open the first one, and now you can see how it looks. Now you can see my CV and I can just send it as a PDF. You can see my name. You can see the profession, you can see my profile picture, you can see the contact, you can see my skills, you can see the languages I speak, you can see the reference, you can actually see my profile, what I can do, you can see my work experience, and you can then see my education. So it's important that your CV have all these things. And how are you going to design it if, for instance, you don't know how to use software like Adobe Pro and so forth? So you can see the second one here, see the difference in terms of color. So you see from here, the color here and here are the same, and then the background color remain different, white background. So you see from here that this is different. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your Google Store and download this software called Canva, or you can hover to your browser and type canva.com. So it's important that you have the software in your phone. So let's wait for it to load. Now this is the interface of Canva. So there are certain things you need to take note of. So all you need to do is to click on this search engine here and type whatever you want to do. So I want to design a CV, or I can just type resume. So you just wait for it to load. Hello guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do ensure you like this video, comment below and share this video to those who are just graduating and who wants to design their CV. Looking for job is important, and so therefore you need a CV or a resume. So you can actually see from here that these are templates you can actually use to design your resume, and you can see that there are several templates here, and you can see from here you have 13,398 Canva templates on just resume. So you see how large or much the templates are. So there are things you need to take note of. So you can see from this place the wrote Pro, and here there's nothing there. That simply means that you need a paid version of Canva to be able to use such templates that you see Pro. But this one that you didn't actually see any write up, you can actually use it for free and download it for free. So all I need to do is just search for the one I want. I'll keep scrolling. If there's anyone I actually like and that is free, I will click on it. Mm. So guys, okay, let me go with this. Let me go with this. So I'll click on it. It will open in a new page or a new interface for me. So it's important that you actually know what you want to write on your CV. You need to know about your work experience, your contact, your skills, So now this is it has opened. So let's wait for it to finish loading. So now it has finished loading. Now all you need to do that you need to pay attention to all these elements. This done. You can see design, you can see elements, you can see text, you can see gallery, you can see brand, you can see uploads, you can see draw, you can see projects, you can see apps. So you need to pay attention to all these things. Let's say for instance I want to edit the name. All I need to do is to click on it. I may double click on it, and then we just type whatever I want to type there. So let me see, I want to type Elisha Gaza. So this is it. And let's say I want to leave it as a marketing manager, and all I need to do is to write something here about. So for you to, for instance, you want to change the image, all you need to do is to click on it, and then you click on this icon here that shows delete. So you click on delete, and it will bring out these two icons that show delete image or delete frame. So you don't want to delete the frame, all you want to do is to delete image. So you click on delete image. So for you to upload an image, you come to where? You come to this place, they say upload. You can actually sit down. So you click on upload, and then you can click on this upload files to bring out pictures from your phone and so forth. So I already have my pictures. All I need to do is to click on the picture, and then you see how it appears. So I will carry it to the side, and then trim it. So you see it will automatically fit in. So you see from here that it automatically fits in the picture. So I can just, so you just see it. Now I can just click on it and edit. So let's say for instance you want to start editing. All you need to do is click on the contact here and whatever you want to edit. And it's as simple as that. And when you are through, let's say you want to edit the font, you click on this font, you look for the font you're looking for, and you want to increase the head style, is it heading, subheading, or body? So you click, you want to change the font size, so you can enlarge it, drawing that and so forth. So you want to change the color, so you can click, so you see, and change the color and so forth. To bold, middle, you can put the format on middle, so forth. And this is it, guys. And at the end of it, all you just need to do is you click on this icon here, click on this icon here to download. So you click on download. So you can actually come to this place here that the post suggested and click on this drop down here to, you can download it as a JPG or PNG, but I want to download it as a PDF. So I'll leave it there, and then I'll just wait for it to show me, and then because of the network, that's why we're having some challenges. And then you click on here, this download here, you see download, it will appear, and then you'll be able to download it. That is it, guys. If you are new to my channel and you found this video interesting and you find a new way of designing your CV, please guys comment below and tell me what you find out about, or what you like about this video, or what you want me to improve on. And if there's any question you want me to answer, please do ensure you write down the question below on the comment section, and I'll be following. Thank you.